Happy morning, children, and I'm wishing you a very successful year to everyone. Today's class, we are going to see continuation of chapter 6, Getting Connected Internet. Okay, children, we can go to the next slide. So in this slide, we are going to see plugin. Okay, plugin is a software. It provides additional functionality to the browser. Okay, so it will enhance its capabilities. That is a plugin. Okay, so if you want to watch any video in the website, you need a plugin. Example we can take. Okay, so in the new channel, you can see the bulletins, right? Okay, for the bullet, if you want to view the bulletins, it is the need of the Adobe Flash Player. Without this one, you can't see, right? Okay. So that is the use of plugin. So many plugin examples are given here. Adobe Flash Player, Java SE, QuickTime, Microsoft Silverlight and Unity. QuickTime, it's also to play the video and 3D content. Okay. These are the examples. Okay, we can move to the next one. So we have seen the search engine, right, in the last class. So if you want to search anything, you have to search using the search box. You have to use the proper keyword to search your information. So we have seen role of youth in nation building. Okay. So this we have seen that. Okay, we can go to the next slide. When you're searching any information, you have to be very clear that you're going to search a text or videos or images. Okay, you have to be very clear in that, and you have to be very clear in the keywords also. Okay, what exactly you're looking for, or you can use the appropriate keyword, which word will describe your search best. Okay, that also we should use the proper keyword. Okay, when you're looking for the any website, okay, there is a six criteria is there, okay, to evaluate a website. The criteria are authority, accuracy, objective, currency, coverage and appearance. Okay, this criteria will evaluate the website. Okay, so for each criteria there is a several question is there. Okay, so the more question you are getting the answer S. Okay, you can decide that website is a quality one. Okay, so which website is getting which question, the more question is getting S, answer is S. Okay, that website is a quality one. Okay, we can decide using the criteria. Okay, we can move to the next one. Okay, let us take activity 3. Okay, the project title, Role of Youth in the Development of a Nation. Okay, I have to search in the search engine. Okay, so when you're typing this title, what type of multimedia resource you could see? This is the first question, you have to answer that one. Did you find any hyperlinks in the result page? How can you get a different result page for the same keyword? Were you able to find a result page for your search containing only images? Okay, let us see this one. For the same topic, we are getting the many links, right? Okay, so essay 10 lines on role of youth in nation building for students, and the next one, role of youth in nation building for students and children's. Okay, the role of youth in nation building times 9. Okay, so that is for the same word we are getting a different links, right? Okay, so I'm getting the image and the text, not only the images, I'm getting the image and text. Okay, so when you're clicking any link, I'm getting this one. Okay, when you're going for the image option, you'll be getting only the images. Okay, so there they ask only the images you are getting in the link. No, I'm getting both the things. Okay, so multimedia also you can view in the link. Okay, let me go to the next one. So in this slide, we are going to see the search operators. Okay. So, and when you're using the and operator, youth and nation. So the result page will contain both youth and nation. Both the things will be there. Okay. So when you're using the R, okay, youth or nation, the result page will contain at least one of the keyword, either youth or nation. So when you're using the double quotes, okay, so whatever the words given in the double quotes, the result page will have the entire keywords, okay, that is the use of double quotes. When you're using the dots, role of youth 1990 then till 2018, so the result page will have the number range till start from 1990 till 2018. Okay, this is the use of the search operators. Okay, we can go to, so in this slide we are going to see bookmark. Okay, so bookmark is a shortcut, okay, saved shortcut that direct your browser to specific web page. So it will store the title, URL and favicon of the corresponding page. So what is a bookmark? Okay, it is used to save the URL of the web page for the future reference is the bookmark. So when you use to save your URL, you can use for the future reference, right? When you're used to save, we can easily access that, right? Whenever it's needed, we can easily access that web page, right? To create a bookmark, what we have to do in the sense, we have to visit that page, okay, have to select the add bookmark so that the particular web page will be added the bookmark. You can see the Internet Explorer and the Chrome also, there will be a star. If you click that, the current page is added to the bookmark. Okay, we can see in the next slide. You can see in this page, right, when I'm opening the link, okay, so when I'm selecting the star, okay, this web page is bookmark is added. Okay, you can see the bookmark is added. This is how you have to bookmark the web page, so whenever it's needed you can refer for the future also. Got it, children? Okay, we can go to the next. I hope you understood this class. So what is a bookmark and what is plugin? Okay, how to use the criterias, what are the criterias? Okay, so how to select the best website, quality website. Got it? Okay, we can see the continuation of this chapter in the next class. Thank you, children. Bye.